Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Right. Okay. Good. So, Arib, Adyan, and Itara. So, right. So, who is Arib? Hi.
Hi.
Give the phone nicely.
Hi.
Hi. You're Itara, right? So you're Adyan. Okay. So, so today, and another one. I hope if you can rename your name, your child's name, it would be great for me.
Teacher,
Yes.
I
Hi.
can't hear you that well.
You can't hear me.
Yeah.
Now okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Hi. You're Relay Fernando, right? I don't know whether I'm pronouncing your names correct or not. So we'll wait for 1 minute
No,
till others
it's
join.
right. Nama.
Mage nama Riley.
Riley, very good.
Mage favorite color rosa.
Ah,
Mage age nama.
What teacher say?
මට අවුරුදු 9යි. එහෙම නේද කියන්නේ? මට අවුරුදු 9යි.
Yeah.
9. I'm 9 years old. Right. So shall we start?
Yes.
All are here, right? Good. Okay. So I don't know your time slots because I'm in Sri Lanka. So anybody in Sri Lanka? Anybody?
I'm not. I'm in
You're
I'm in Saudi Arabia.
you're in South Arabia.
I'm
Okay.
in Sri Lanka.
Where do you
Saudi
from?
Arabia, not South.
Saudi Arabia. Okay, Saudi Arabia. And Itara, where are you from?
Wait, no. Teacher, I'm from Sri Lanka, but I'm in Saudi Arabia. I'm
Ah,
in
you're from
Saudi.
Sri Lanka, but you're in Saudi Arabia. Okay. And Riley, isn't it?
Where are you from? Where you living?
So I live
Where you living?
in Victoria.
Australia.
In Winnable.
Australia.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, okay. You're from? Where are you from?
Australia. I
Yeah.
was born in there.
Right. You're in Australia.
Yep. I mean
Okay.
Victoria and
ඔයාගේ
I'm
රට
Winnable.
Australia. Right. ඔයා ඉන්නේ ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාවේ. එහෙම නේද? එහෙම නේද?
Saudi.
Right.
And
Adyan,
I'm in
where
Sri
are you
Lanka.
from?
Sri Lanka.
Huh?
Adyan from
Saudi.
Sri Lanka.
That's
Yeah.
Saudi. Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Okay. Netuka. Netuka is there. So where are you from? ඔයා කොහෙන්ද මට කතා කරන්නේ?
Australia,
රටින්ද?
Victoria.
Australia, right? Okay. So do you know about where do I from? Mama ko
Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. මගේ රට ශ්‍රී ලංකාව. මම ඉන්නේ ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ. Arib ඉන්නේ සෞදි අරාබියාවේ. නේද?
No, Sri Lanka.
Guru Kumar, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. But you are now in දැන් ඉන්නේ අරාබියේ. එහෙම නේද? Isn't it? Right. So we'll start.
Okay.
Okay. Right. So today you all are going to learn about yourself. How you going to introduce yourself. ඔයාගෙන තව කෙනෙකුට හඳුන්වලා දෙන්න යන්නේ. So you have to introduce yourself and you are going to introduce yourself. Or myself. Yourself. Okay? Okay. I can't hear. Okay?
What should I do?
Can you all hear me?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
So I hope you all can see my screen. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
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 I can see
Oh,
it.
Ouද නැද්ද?
Yes.
Ouද නැද්ද?
Older than this. Older.
Oh. Yes.
Old
Ouද නැද්ද කියලා අහන්නේ මම. Yes or no? Yes කියන්නේ oh. No කියන්නේ
Nah.
no. No. No කියන්නේ no. Right. Okay. So I. Who is I? Who is I?
Mama.
Mama. Mama. Who is I?
Mama.
Mama. Mama. Okay, my M-Y, my,
Maggie.
my,
Maggie.
Mage.
Maggie.
mage.
Maggie.
So this mug is
Maggie.
mine. Make a mage. Me mage ka mage. So my means mage. Okay? Mage. I, mama, my, mage. Right, everybody. Tell I, mama.
Maggie.
Hi.
I, mama,
Maggie.
my, mage.
Hi, Mama.
I, mama. My, mage. This is mine.
My,
Okay, make a
My
mage.
mama, my Maggie.
I, mama, my,
my
mage. Okay? So, mama. So, today you all are going to learn about you. ඔයාගෙන තමයි අද ඉගෙන ගන්න යන්නේ. So, you are going to learn about yourself. Okay? So, do you all like to speak in Sinhala?
Yes.
Yes. You all like to speak in Sinhala, na? Oh. ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමති නේද සිංහල කතා කරන්න? Right. So this one you have to tell. Now when you introduce yourself to another person, you have to tell so many things, isn't it? What are the things? Now tell me, what are the things when you introduce yourself to another one? What is the first thing?
Mage.
Mage nama. Very good. Yes.
Mage.
Now when you're introducing
Mage name.
yourself, very good. When you're introducing yourself to another person, first we have to tell, my name is Harini. No? My name is Arib. I'm Arib. Isn't it Arib?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So I can't remember the name. Abdeen. Okay, I'm Abdeen. Mage nama
Abdi.
Abdeen. My name. My kiyanne mage. Name kiyanne nama. Mage nama Abdeen. Kiyanne balanna mage nama
Abdi.
Abdeen. Right. Ogolo kiyanne balanna. Arif, tell. My name is Arif. Tell.
Mage name.
Mage nama.
Mage nama Arif. Sorry, Arif.
Mage nama.
Arif. Right. Okay.
Mage nama Arif.
Arif. Right. Mage nama Abdeen. Abdeen.
Huh?
Mage nama Harini.
Abdi.
Okay. Mage nama Harini. Right. On then Islam. When you go and meet another new one, first you have to tell your name. Okay. Mage nama හරිනේ. මගේ නම අරීබ්.
හරි.
මගේ නම
Arib. Arib.
අරීබ්. මගේ නම ආබ්දීන්. Okay? Right. Then what you tell?
My age.
My age.
මගේ
අපේ
වයස.
වයස. No,
වයස.
මගේ වයස. අපි කොහොමද කියන්නේ? So in English, how do you tell your
My-
yes? How do
my-
you tell your age?
My
My age is 7.
7. I'm 7 years old. No? No, Tara. I'm 7 years old.
I'm 9 years
Right. In English, we call in English we tell I'm 7 years old. Mage vayasa avrudu. Okay. I'm so sorry. I couldn't put that word to this. Avrudu. Avrudu. Okay. Hamatissima, you all have to use avrudu. Mage vayasa avrudu hatai. Atai. Ekai. Dekai. Tunai. Whatever the number you can tell. Okay. මගේ වයස අවුරුදු වලින් තමයි කියන්නේ. We are telling
මගේ
our
වයස
age
10.
අවුරුදු how many?
මගේ අවුරුදු මගේ වයස අවුරුදු
Yes. අවුරුදු 9යි. Okay, 9යි. 9යි. Very good. Good. Brilliant.
මගේ වයස
වයස අවුරුදු
10.
10යි. Good. Brilliant. Abdin වයස කීයද?
මගේ වයස. මගේ වයස. මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 7යි.
5යි.
7යි.
7යි. Good. Right. ආද්‍යන්ගේ වයස කීයද?
මගේ වයස
අවුරුදු
අවුරුදු 7යි.
අවුරුදු 7යි. 7 years old. Very good. And I'm really sorry. That pink color girl, Relay. No.
Riley.
Riley. Okay, sorry. Riley to වයස කීයද? Riley to වයස කීයද? 9යි. මගේ වයස
9.
අවුරුදු 9යි. මගේ වයස. හැමතිස්සෙම you have to use my. Okay, මගේ වයස
මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 9යි.
9යි. Right. If I ask what is your country?
මගේ රට.
මගේ රට. මොකද්ද මගේ රට? What is මගේ රට? මගේ රට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවයි. What is your country? Arif?
Sri Lanka. I mean Saudi Arabia.
You're in Saudi Arabia. Right. Tell it in Sinhala. Sinhalen කියන්න බලන්න මට. මගේ රට
මගේ රට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ.
ශ්‍රී ලංකාව.
Australia.
මගේ රට ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාවයි. Why Australia? Right. So when we tell Sinhala, some words are different from English. Okay. English wage නෙමෙයි Sinhala words. Right. When you're talking with others, you have to use some little I mean nice words, nice letters, right? So mage rata Sri Lanka verb kiyala you can't tell and you can't finish that sentence. You have to add ye. Okay? මගේ රට මෙන්න මේක ඔයාලා use කරන්න ඕනේ. මෙන්න මේක you have to use. මගේ රට ශ්‍රී ලංකා sorry. Why? මෙන්න මේ why කියන එක you have to use මගේ රට ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාවයි මගේ රට සෞදි අරාබියාවයි මගේ රට මේක චුට්ටක් වෙනස් වෙනවා country එකකින් country එකට right so if you're in England you have to tell මගේ රට එංගලන්තයයි එංගලන්තේ න ඉංග්‍රීසි වලට අපි කියන්නේ එංගලන්තේ කියලා නේද සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ if you all know if you heard from the word from your parents එංගලන්තෙට අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා sorry ඉංග්‍රීසි වලට අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා එංගලන්තේ කියලා න right okay if I ask from you what is your school
Sri Lankan National School Jeddah.
what is your school
International School Jeddah.
really
මගේ
මගේ
මගේ ඉස්කෝලේ
ඉස්කෝලේ
Joseph.
okay right
මගේ ස්කෝලේ ළමයි ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ international school.
international school
මගේ
okay
ඉස්කෝලේ Zahira College.
Zahira college Zahira means Maradana no
පුත්ලම්.
Putlam. Okay, right. මගේ පාසල මගේ ඉස්කෝලේ නම Zahira විද්‍යාලය. එහෙම නේද කියන්න පුළුවන් නේද? මං යන්නේ Zahira විද්‍යාලයට. No Adyan. You are going to Zahira college, right? අපි
Right,
ඉස්කෝලේ
yeah.
කියන එකට අපි ඉස්කෝලේ කියන එකට වචන we can use 3 letters right විද්‍යාලය පාසල ඉස්කෝලය okay විද්‍යාලය tell විද්‍යාලය පාසල ඉස්කෝලය so we can use any of these word to school right my school මගේ පාසල Zahira නේද?
College.
college මගේ පාසල Zahira විද්‍යාලයයි මම යන්නේ Zahira විද්‍යාලයට my school කියන්නේ මගේ ඉස්කෝලේ මගේ
School.
විද්‍යාලය මගේ පාසල right okay so what is your grade Riley ඔයා ඉන්නේ කීය වසරේද
මගේ ශ්‍රේණිය
ආ
තුනයි.
3 වසරේ හරිද දැන් අවුරුද්දෙන් අවුරුද්දනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ යන්නේ right so year by year you're moving to another new one no now this 2025 when 2025 ends you have to go to 2026 so if you're in grade 3 in this year so next year you will be in grade
4.
right so අවුරුද්දෙන් අවුරුද්ද අපිට වයස වැඩි වෙනවා so ඔයාලගේ grade එකත් ඒ වගේම ඉස්සරහට යනවා right ඔයාලා skip කරන්නේ අවුරුද්දෙන් අවුරුද්ද grade එක ගොඩක් ලොකු වෙනවා නේද so that's why we use අවුරුදු එහෙම නැත්නම් වසර අපි කියනවා වසර කියලා
3A.
right මගේ පන්තිය කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන් මගේ ශ්‍රේණිය කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන් ශ්‍රේණිය මම ඉන්නේ 3 වසරේ නොරලි මම ඉන්නේ 3 වසරේ ආද්‍යන් which grade you are in
Grade 1.
grade 1 okay මම
Grade two.
ඉන්නේ 1 වසරේ නොආද්‍යන්
Grade 2.
grade 2 sorry මම ඉන්නේ 2
මගේ-
වසරේ
මගේ ශ්‍රේණිය grade
මම ඉන්නේ මොන වසරේද
මගේ
හරි,
මම ශ්‍රේණිය
හා එහෙම නැත්නම් මම ඉන්නේ 2 වසරේ this is the simple this is the easiest way right මම ඉන්නේ 2 වසරේ මම ඉන්නේ 2 වසරේ
දෙක වසරේ.
2 වසරේ Abdin which grade are you in
Grade 1.
grade 1 මම ඉන්නේ දෙක වසරේ. sorry එක වසරේ. මම ඉන්නේ එක වසරේ. මම ඉන්නේ එක වසරේ. Okay. Arif, you're in grade 4, right? 5.
No, grade
No,
3.
Grade 3. Okay.
Grade 3, but after exams, I'm going to grade 3B.
You're going to grade 3B. So, right. Okay, now tell it in Sinhala. Which grade you're in?
Okay, wait. Was
මම ඉන්නේ-
Mage Wasara 3A.
මම ඉන්නේ 3 වසරේ.
Tuna A.
3 වසර. 3 වසර ඒ පන්තියේ. එහෙම නේද? මම ඉන්නේ 3 වසරේ. Right. Okay. My mother. Who is my mother?
Magi
Amma.
මගේ අම්මා.
Mage Amma.
Magi
මගේ
amma.
අම්මා. Okay. මගේ තාත්තට මොකක්ද කියන්නේ?
My father.
My father.
My father.
මගේ
Okay. My father. මගේ තාත්තා. No, Ichara, you're so quiet. You're so quiet. Why is that?
Huh?
Right. How do we say my father? My මගේ තාත්තා.
මගේ තාත්තා.
Right. මගේ තාත්තා. Right. ඒ ඔයාගේ තාත්තනේ. That is your father. Okay, that's why we call my. එයා මගේ තාත්තා. Okay. මගේ අම්මා. Do you all have sisters and brothers?
Yes.
Yes. I only have brothers.
You have brothers.
That's all.
Okay.
I have sisters
many
and
brothers?
brothers.
You also have brothers. You don't have sisters or brothers, isn't it, Adyan? You don't have.
I have one sister.
You have one sister. Okay. Riley,
I have 2 brothers.
you have 2 brothers. Who's that? Itara.
Netuka and Minuka.
Netuka. Netuka is your brother, right? So, මට ඉන්නවා elder brothers or younger brothers? වැඩි මල්ලායද? චූටි බය
Elder.
brothers.
Elder.
Elder brothers. Okay. I also have 2 brothers. මටත් ඉන්නවා අයියලා දෙන්නෙක්. මට වඩා ලොකු. Okay. So elder brothers. Elder කියලා කියන්නේ වැඩි මල් කියලා කියන්න පුළුවන්. වැඩි මල් ලොකුයි.
Okay.
Younger කියන්නේ චූටි. මල්ලි බබාලා. Do you all have sisters?
No.
අක්කා?
I have a little brother and 2
You don't
big.
have elder sisters, younger sisters?
No.
Elder sisters, younger sisters?
I
No.
have one young sister.
You. Okay. So, ඔන්න දැන් teacher දාලා තියෙනවා. This slide, can you see my slide?
Yeah.
Right. This is how you tell your name. My name is Vimuth. මගේ නම Vimuth. කියන්න බලන්න. Itara, tell me, how do you tell your name in Sinhala?
Magi
Mage
nama.
name Arif.
Magi nama
Mage
Ichara.
name Arif.
Arif.
මගේ නම
Arif.
අධ්‍යයන්.
Arif.
මගේ නම Riley.
මගේ නම Riley. Do you have only Riley? No, you have Fernando. So මගේ නම Riley Fernando. If you have 2 or 3 names, you have to tell your names. Okay? So don't tell only one name. මගේ නම Riley Fernando. Right? So I can.
Riley Fernando.
Very
Mage
good.
name
මගේ නම
Arif Ibrahim.
මගේ
Arif Ibrahim.
මගේ
Okay.
නම සෆියල් අධ්‍යයන්.
Safil Adyan. මගේ නම Safil Adyan. මගේ නම Ichara Silva. Right? මගේ නම Harini Ranavira. Okay. My age. How old are you?
7. මගේ වයස 7යි.
මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 7යි. Don't remember that අවුරුදු one. That year එක. මෙන්න මේ year එක you have to tell. Years. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට තාම චූටි බබාලා නෙමෙයි. You all are not small babies. Right? They are in months. 2 months babies, 4 months babies. Right? Now you all are big. Right? අවුරුදු. මගේ වයස අවුරුදු
මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 7යි.
7යි. Very good. Riley, මගේ වයස අවුරුදු
මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 9යි.
9යි. Very good. Right. My country is Sri Lanka. What is your country?
Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia, right? Can you speak?
My
Can you tell it
country
in
is
Sinhala?
Sri Lanka.
මගේ රට
මගේ රට
Sri Lankawai. You're in Sri Lanka,
Sri
so you can
Lankawai.
tell. මගේ රට
Sri Lanka.
මගේ රට
ලංකාවයි.
ශ්‍රී ලංකාවයි.
Okay. Right. ඉතාලට කියන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතාල you're in Australia, right? So
මගේ
මගේ
රට
රට
ශ්‍රී ලංකාවයි.
Right, right. Okay. Right. So this is how you tell your country.
Lanka.
My school is Nalanda College. Or you can tell the place, right? Where the Nalanda College established. I mean, Nalanda College එක කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා ඔයගලන්ට කියන්න පුළුවන්.
Okay.
මගේ පාසලේ නම නාලන්දා විද්‍යාලයයි. Okay, මගේ පාසලේ නම.
Okay.
So කාගේද අපේ ආද්‍යන්ගේ පාසල නම මොකද්ද? Zahira, right?
Zahira College.
Zahira College. මගේ පාසලේ
මගේ
නම
පාසල Zahira College.
විද්‍යාලයයි college. මගේ පාසලේ නම Zahira විද්‍යාලයයි. Okay, Abdin, can I know your school's name? Name of your school?
Lanka National School Jeddah.
But darling?
Sri Lanka National School Jeddah.
Jeddah. You're in Jeddah, right? Okay, Sri Lanka National School in Jeddah, right? Okay.
Jeddah.
Jeddah, right. ඒක සිංහලෙන් හරවලා කියන්න බලන්න මට. Tell. නෑ මගේ පාසලේ is there a specific name?
Yeah.
Okay, මෙන්න මේ විදිහට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පාසලේ නම කියන්න පුළුවන්, right? මගේ පාසල සහිරා විද්‍යාලයයි. මගේ පාසල නාලන්දා විද්‍යාලයයි. Okay? Right. I am in grade 2. මම ඉගෙන ගන්නේ 2 වසරේ. මම ඉගෙනුම ලබන්නේ 2 වසරේ. දැන් මේවා පැටියෝ when you're talking in Sinhala, you all are not using any grammatical sentences, no? So just කියන්න පුළුවන්. මම ඉන්නේ 4 වසරේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් මම ඉගෙන ගන්නේ 1 වසරේ. මම ඉගෙන ගන්නේ 2 වසරේ. මම ඉගෙන ගන්නේ 3 වසරේ. Like that you have to tell. You can tell to others. Okay? Right. මගේ ශ්‍රේණිය 4 වසරයි. So මෙතනත් අපි යි එකක් add කරනවා. මෙන්න මේ යි එකක් add කරනවා. මගේ ශ්‍රේණිය 4 වසර කියලා you all can't tell. You have to tell මගේ ශ්‍රේණිය 4 වසරයි. Okay, Riley. Arif, are you okay? Update? Adyan? Shara?
Yes.
Right, okay. Now, before I wind up the session, I will ask some questions from you all. So get ready with that, okay? Right. My mother is Harini. Mage ammage nama. Mage amma Harini. Who is your mother? Riley?
Mage amma ke nama Ishara.
Ishara. Mage ammage nama Ishara. Very good. Nice. After, what is your mother's name in Sinhala? Mage ammage nama
Munsifa.
Musifa.
Munsifa.
Okay, right. Right. Arif, ammage nama mokadda?
Ame mage amma
Ammage nama
nama Munsifa.
Musifa.
Munsifa.
Mulshipa. Okay. Mage ammage nama Mulshipa. Right. Okay. Itara.
Yeah, we have the same brother because we are brothers.
Right.
Mage ammage nama Shannon.
Shenon. Mage ammage nama Shenon. Okay. Right. Adyan.
Mage amma nama Shadia.
Shadya. Mage ammage nama. Nama නෙමෙයි. Nama Shadya. Nice name. Right. My father. Takkala කියන්න බලන්න. Riley. තාත්තගේ නම. මගේ තාත්තගේ නම
Mage tatage nama Rajendra. But he's alive.
Rajendra. Okay, good. Abdin.
Mega.
මගේ තාත්තගේ නම Right. Adyan තාත්තගේ නම මොකක්ද?
Mage tata nama Arafat. තාත්තගේ නම Mage tata ge nama Arafat.
Arafat. Okay, right. You all have different names. So mage ammage nama Harini. Mage තාත්තගේ නම Sampath. So like that you can tell, right? If a person asks from you, කවුද ඔයාගේ අම්මා? මොකද්ද ඔයාගේ අම්මගේ නම? So Riley can tell මගේ අම්මගේ නම
Mage amage nama Ishara.
Ishara. මගේ අම්මගේ නම Ishara. මගේ තාත්තගේ නම Rajendra. Isn't it? Right? Am I correct? Right. මගේ තාත්තගේ නම Rajendra. Like that. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියන්න පුළුවන්. හැමතිස්සෙම you have to use which one? The common word, but what? What is the common word you have to use?
Mage.
මගේ
Anamai.
මගේ කියන එක that is common, right? ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම use කරන්න ඕනේ. මගේ. එයා මගේ විතරනේ. අම්මා මගේ. So my mother, මගේ අම්මා. My mother. Okay, Riley? මගේ අම්මගේ නම. Okay? Okay, Abdin. මගේ තාත්තගේ නම. Okay, Adyan. මගේ අම්මගේ නම. හැමතිස්සෙම මගේ. එයා මගේ. Okay, amma mage, tata mage. So you have to use my mother, my father. Right. You all don't have sisters, right? Any sisters?
No.
You
Yeah.
have sisters.
I have
Right. Any elder sisters or younger sisters?
Younger sister.
Younger sister. Younger sister අපි මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? නංගි කියලා. නේ?
Nangi.
Nangi. It's really a nice word, no? Nangi. Right? Elder sister ද මොකක්ද කියන්නේ?
Aki.
Aki. Yes, akka. එහෙම නැත්නම් අක්කි. ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙත් නම කියන්න පුළුවන්. මගේ අක්කගේ නම whatever the name you have. Okay, I put Roshini. So මගේ අක්කගේ නම Roshini. Right? Roshini. මගේ elder sister. මගේ අක්කා තමයි Roshini. ඉතින් මගේ නංගි. Who is මගේ නංගි?
little sister.
Younger sister, Nangi. She's Ameli. Right? She's Ameli. Mage Nangi ginama Ameli. Okay. Mage Nangi ginama Ameli. Mage common, nama common. Okay. Nama kiyanaga common. Nama use karanna one. Mage Nangi ginama. Arif, do you have any sisters or brothers?
I have a younger cousin,
Uh-huh.
sister. I have a younger cousin sister.
Cousin sister.
Her
Okay,
name is
all right.
Arapanangi. Arapanangi.
Okay. Huh, okay,
Yes.
good. You have, no? Abdin, you have
What?
We
sisters
have
or brothers?
Arapanangi, but only and my other brother is Arif and my little brother is Akim.
Akim, right. Sure. You have
Brother.
1, 2, 3. 3 sisters and brothers, right? No, see, brothers and sisters.
Is it my turn?
You have one sister, right? Riley. One
Yes.
sister.
I have a sister. Well, I have a family friend sister.
Huh.
No, I have a Margaret and family friend
Huh.
sister.
Ah.
Nama Nelly. Actually, it's
Nama?
Nelly.
Right. Okay, right.
Wangike Nama Nelly.
Naily. Naily, right? Naily. Ah, okay. Mage akige nama Naily. But she's not your sister, your cousin. No, your family
Family
friends, right?
Yeah.
Family friends. Okay. Whatever. But you have a elder sister, right? Akka, Malli. Ko balana Malli la inna kattiya. Any younger brothers?
Yes. Nah.
Nah.
Oh.
Any younger brothers?
Oh. I have.
You have.
I have.
Okay.
I have one Arab. I have
Right.
one
Mage.
brother Arab.
Right. Elder කියලා කියන්නේ අයියා. අපිට වඩා ලොකුයි. So අයියා. You have to use අයියා. Okay, brother ට කියනවා අපි අයියා සහ මල්ලි. අයියා කියන්නත් පුළුවන්, මල්ලි කියන්නත් පුළුවන්. Okay. ඒක it depends on their age. ඔයාට වඩා ලොකුයි නම් you can use අයියා. If the brother is younger than you, you can use no Itara. Now Itara has 2 elder brothers. Isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So
I have
you
one.
call Ayya.
Yeah, and
What
I
do you
have one.
call? Sorry?
And I have one. Are you talking to me?
You have Malli?
Yeah.
My God, really? Sure. So Malli, Ayyala dennai, Malli.
Yes.
නේද? මට
Yeah.
එනකොට මට teacher ඉන්නවා අයියලා දෙන්නේ. මට ඉන්නවා අයියලා දෙන්නේ. Okay, elder brothers. අයියලා, elder brother. මට වඩා ලොකුයි. Then you have one brother. No.
Little. One sister.
Youngest brother. Okay. So my younger brother, mage malli, mage nama, mallige nama Manyu. So හැමතිස්සම common වෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? What is the common word? My and name. My, mage. Malli ඔයාගේනේ. නේද? Malli mage නෙමෙයි. So you have to use my. My brother is Manyu. Right? Manyu.
Okay. My brother's name Akim.
Akim.
My brother's name Akim.
Ayya. Oh, Malli. Ayya. Malli.
Excuse.
Ayya to Malli then. Yes, Riley, yes.
Sir, I have an older brother, but he's not my actual brother. He is one of our family friends, and he's one of Nelly's older brothers, and his name is Nathan. And I also have a younger brother, and he's my family friend, and his name is Nathan.
Nathan, right. Okay, ඔයාට තව ඉන්නවා අඳුරන අයියා.
My
නේද?
baby
යාළු.
brother's name is Akim, but he's a baby. My
You
little
have a
brother's
baby.
name is Akim, but he's a baby.
Babies. Okay, babala. Chuti babala. Babies? Chuti babala. I also have a chuti babik. I also have a small baby. Small one.
Aww.
But you know chuti babik.
Cutie baby.
චුටි බේබි කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. Right? Okay. So මගේ බබාගේ නම තමයි මන්යු. හරිද? මගේ බබා. මගේ බබාගේ නම තමයි මන්යු. මගේ මල්ලිගේ නම තමයි මන්යු. මගේ අයියාගේ නම තමයි කිත්මේ. Okay? Right. Right. What is hobbies? Do you have any hobby?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Right. What is your hobby?
Yes. My hobby
is
is
your
like.
hobby?
Wait, are you talking to me?
Yeah. Riley, yes, I'm talking to you.
Sir. My favorite hobbies are reading, drawing. So my favorite hobbies are drawing. No wait. My favorite hobbies are reading, doing paper craft,
Mm-hmm.
and playing Minecraft.
You like to read, paint and craft and drawing.
Actually, yeah. No wait. I like drawing, paper
You like
craft,
drawing.
playing Minecraft, and reading.
Mhm. Very good. Brilliant. Okay. Adyan, what is your hobby? What is your
My hobbies-
favorite?
My hobbies are reading books
Reading. Reading books.
and
Good.
making
Very good.
crafts.
My hobby also reading books. I also reading books. I have lots. I have both godak. I have a big cupboard. Yes. Okay. And Itara, what is your hobby? ඔයාගේ විනෝදාංශය මොකක්ද? අපි hobby එකට කියනවා විනෝදාංශ කියලා. අපි ඒක විනෝදෙට කරන්නේ. එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි ඒක What is your hobby?
My hobbies are art. My
Art. Drawing.
art drawing.
Drawing. Right. චිත්‍ර අඳිනවනේ. Drawing කියන්නේ චිත්‍ර අඳිනවා. අනේ I am really bad at drawing. So I don't like drawing. So I like to read books. මම චිත්‍ර අඳින්න මට චිත්‍ර අඳින්න බෑ. ඒ නිසා මම පොත් කියවනවා. So I'm reading books. නේ? I'm reading books. No? Right. Adyan also reading books. මම මගේ විනෝදාංශය පොත් කියවීමයි. Abi, what is your
doing craft. I love reading books and doing craft.
doing crafts? Very good, very good. Brilliant. Right. මගේ විනෝදාංශය පොත් කියවීම. සහ craft මොනවද හදන්නේ? Right. Arif is not there. Right. Okay. So මගේ hobby එක. මගේ hobby එක මොකද්ද කියන්නේ? විනෝදාංශය. Okay, විනෝදාංශය. පොත් කියවීම, සින්දු කීම සහ චිත්‍ර ඇඳීම. හරිද? මේ ඕන එකක් you all can tell. If you are good at drawing, if you are good at doing art and handwork, right? You can tell my hobbies are. Or if you have only one hobby, එකක් තිබ්බොත් my hobby is reading books. Okay, my hobby. Right, okay. Then අපි යන් අපේ පවුලට. Right, do you all have a family? Obviously, you all have a family, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you will have your family. නේ family එකත් එක්ක තමයි ඉන්නේ නේ. මගේ family එකට අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා my
මගේ
family
පවුල.
එකට.
මගේ පවුල.
මගේ පවුල.
Right, එක මගේ. That's why we use my. එක වෙන කාගෙවත් නෙමෙයි. එක මගේ. මගේ පවුල. No? No, Riley, it's your mother, it's your father, it's your sister. No, Adyan. Right.
Yeah.
Mage pawula. Grandparents?
ආච්චි.
Any Achi, Sia? They are in Sri Lanka. Are they in Sri Lanka?
Somewhere in Sri-
Right. Family members. Who are family members? Kiana balana family members. Tell me family members. Who?
People in your family.
People in the family. Members in the family, right?
members in the family. My grandfather and grandfather.
Yes, my grandfather and grandmother. They are in family members.
Mali, Aki,
Hmm.
And my uncle.
Uncle, yes. You
My
have a mom. No?
Aya, Amma, Tata,
Tata.
Aji,
Uh-huh.
Sia, Nandi.
Right. So Pauli Samajikayo, family members.
Teacher, I
Yeah.
have lots of uncles. I have lots of uncles.
Really? You have lot of uncles
Yes.
from Aami's side, from your mother's side, your father's side.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
You have
No, it's my side.
Father,
My side.
son,
mother. Who is mother? Mother කියන්නේ කාටද?
Amma,
අම්මට.
Mama.
Father කියන්නේ කාටද?
Tata,
Tata.
Tata.
Grandmother.
Attama.
Achi. So some are using, yes.
Attama.
Most common word is Achi, but some are telling Attamma and some are using Kiriyamma. So are there any Attammas and Kiriyammas?
I use Achamma.
You used to tell
Kiriyamma.
Achiyamma. You
I
used to tell
use-
Kiriyamma. Very good.
I use Kiriyamma.
Kiriyamma. Okay. I'm also
I-
using to tell Kiriyamma.
I use Archie. And
You
then
use
some-
Achi. Okay,
and
good.
sometimes-
Whatever the word you can tell. Attamma, Kiriyamma, Achi.
Oh, and-
Okay. Your
Excuse
mother's mother, your father's mother, both the mothers, you can tell Attamma or Kiriyamma or Achi.
Excuse me. Can I
Yes.
also tell you something?
Yes, tell.
So you know when I say Kiriyamma, it sometimes sounds like saying milkman because Kiri means milk and Amma means mom.
Milk mom. Yes, milk mom. Yeah, nice word. Good. Very good. Right. Grandfather?
Tia.
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 Atta. You're using Atta.
Tia.
Adyan use
Tia.
Sia. You used to say Sia, right?
Yeah.
Some are used to tell Atta. Not Atta, Atta. Okay? Kiriyamma, Atta. Attamma, Atta. Achina, Sia. Okay? එහෙම නේද යන්නේ? Okay. අහලා බලන්න ඔයගලගේ අම්මි කෙනෙකුයි තාත්ති කෙනෙකුයි කොහොමද කතා කරන්නේ කියලා නේ? Right. Sister. Sister?
Nangi.
Hari, akka hari. Brother,
Ayah.
ayya. Malli. Right. Okay. Quickly, you have to do a little worksheet. Right? So you have to match. Read the word and match.
Teacher, can I go to the washroom?
Yes, sure. When come?
Can we do it now?
How do I
Yes.
do it?
That's easy. Yeah.
Yes. So you can, no need to write, no need to jot down. You can just tell, right?
Huh?
Very good. Are very good. Amma, very good.
Where can I find Nangi or Kaka?
Nangi.
Very good. Chara, good.
And then
Very good. Tata, yes.
Teacher, I'm done.
Very good. Right. Shall we try, Riley?
Yeah.
Everyone did it.
Okay.
I can't do it.
Okay, just tell me. First word is Amma. Tell me the picture. Very good, Netuka.
So Amma is the one where the mom is
Carrying a
kissing
baby.
the baby, and
Yes, Adyan,
Sia
good.
is the old person.
Okay.
Nangi and Aka are the two sisters. Tata is the man
And
carrying
the
a
man
little
carrying the
kid.
baby. Mm-hmm.
And Archie is that one over there.
Good. Very good. Y'all fun. Then done maneda. Archie, grandmother. Sia, grandfather. Mother, Amma. Father, Tata. Nangi, akkata kiyanne sister, and ayyata සහ මල්ලිට kiyanne brother. Very good. Arif, very good. Adyan, good. Right. Okay. Then ඔන්න දැන් මම මේක මැච් කරලා පෙන්නන්න යන්නේ. හොඳද? ඔයගලගේ එකත් එක්ක. I can't find.
No.
Yes. Right. Okay. So,
Hey, where can you find eraser?
I can't find an eraser, no?
Sorry.
Okay.
How do you do that?
Okay. I have erased this.
Mom, my eye really hurts. Can I go get an eye patch?
That's okay. Just another 5-10 minutes.
The incoming voice call.
Right. Okay. Give me a minute.
Well, you do Google Slides.
Because you all can't see because some lines are there. Okay, Amma, the lady is carrying a baby, and Sia, that old man. Nangi and Akka, that are girls, right? Tata, obviously you can find Tata and Archie. So this is the quick activity, right? Okay, so make it කරන්න තියෙන්නේ. What you have to do is සිංහල තේරුම ලියන්න. No need to write, just tell me. My name. මට කියන්න බලන්න my name.
Number Itara.
මගේ නම. මට ඕනේ
Mage
නම නෙමෙයි. මට ඕනේ my name කියන එකෙන් මොකක්ද කියන්නේ? What do you mean by my name in Sinhala?
name Riley Fernando.
Very good. I'm not going to write here. මගේ නම Riley. My name එකෙන් කියන්නේ මගේ නම. Okay, my age. How old are you? මගේ වයස.
Mage වයස ආරත 9යි.
නාමයයි. Very good. My hobby. විනෝදාංශය. මගේ විනෝදාංශය. My school.
My hobby
My school.
Mage Iskole St. Joseph's.
Very good. මගේ ඉස්කෝලේ. My sister. මගේ Arif. Good. My sister. මගේ අක්කා. එහෙම නැත්නම් මගේ නංගි. My country. My country.
Mage country Australia.
On right. සිංහලෙන් කියන්න බලන්න. සෙලිරි සිංහල. Country. What is country?
Rata.
රට. Okay. මගේ රට ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාවයි. ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාවයි. මගේ රට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවයි. Right? Okay. My mother.
Mage mama.
My mother.
Mage ama Ishara.
මගේ අම්මා ඉෂාරා. Very good. My sister. මගේ අක්කා. මගේ නංගි. My father. My father. කවුරුත් කියන්නේ?
Mage tata Rajendra.
My father කියන්නේ මගේ තාත්තා. My brother.
Mage
Arib, are you there?
Yeah.
Who is my brother? Who is my brother?
Stop, Arib. Drawing on me.
Sorry.
Arib, who is my mother? My brother
Amma.
කියන්නේ කාටද?
My brother is Abdin. And
Okay, brother
my smallest brother, my Chuti Nangi is Akim.
චුටි නංගි කෙනෙකුත් ඉන්නවද? හොඳයි. Good. Right. My brother කියන්නේ මගේ අයියා. එහෙම නැත්නම් මගේ කවුද? My grandmother. කියන්න බලන්න. My grandmother. සිංහලෙන් කියන්න.
Mage Archie.
Archie. Mage Archie. Mage Attamma. Mage Hiriyamma. Ne? My grandfather. Sorry, my grandfather. Mage Siya. Mage
Marcus.
Atta.
Marcus.
Nadia.
Marcus. Yeah.
හරි. මේ තියෙන්නේ සිංහල words ටික. My mother, මගේ අම්මා. My sister, මගේ අක්කා, මගේ නංගි. My father, මගේ තාත්තා. My brother, මගේ අයියා, එහෙම නැත්නම් මල්. මගේ ආච්චි, මගේ සීයා. Right. I hope. Right. Right. So I didn't send any worksheet for y'all. So by next week onwards, I will sending some worksheets to y'all. Right? මට මේ ටික දැන් මේ ඉගෙන ගත්ත ටික ටක් ගාලා repeat කරන්න බලන්න. Quickly tell me. My name. Sorry. Riley. මට කියන්න ඔයාගේ නම.
මගේ නම සෆියුල් අධ්‍යාන්.
වයස?
මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 7යි.
7යි. Very good. මගේ වයස අවුරුදු 7යි. What is your school? Your school?
මගේ ස්කූලේ Zahira College.
Zahira.
මගේ ස්කෝලේ St. Joseph's.
Right. Okay. Aptin, I hope I'm really glad if you are not drawing anything on my screen. Okay. Right. Okay. Who's that? Itara. Itara මට කියන්න ඔයා ගැන ටක් ගාලා tell me about yourself.
මගේ නම ඉතාරා.
Okay.
මගේ වයස
අවුරුදු 10යි. How old are you? 10යි. Okay. මගේ පාසල
මගේ පාසල
Okay. Which country you're in? මොකද ඔයාගේ රට?
ඔස්ට්‍රේලියා.
Australia. කියන්න බලන්න එක සිංහලෙන්. Tell it me සිංහල.
රට ඔස්ට්‍රේලියා.
මාගේ රට ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාවයි. Right. What is your hobby? Itara. විනෝදාංශය.
මගේ
විනෝදාංශය.
art and
Reading books.
art and drawing.
Art and right. Very good. Okay. So this is how you learn to speak in Sinhala. Okay. This is our first lesson. So I will send some 2 or 3 worksheets to you all. So you can complete and send it back to me. Right. So did you all learn something from me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Oh.
ඉගෙන ගත්තානේ. හරි. එහෙනම් අපි will meet on next week. Till then, see you. Take care. Bye bye. And please
Bye.
learn
Bye.
these Sinhala words. Okay?
Thank you.
Thanks for joining.
Bye.
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 I born.
Stuti.
ස්තුති. බොහොම ස්තුති.